How to upload a PDF on LinkedIn. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. You will then be brought to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view and explore posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Post in the middle. You can add a post to LinkedIn from here. Tap on the plus icon below. Then, select Document from here. Choose the document you want to post from your files. Here, add a title to describe your document in the first box. For example, PDF. Adding a title helps your document get discovered more easily. Once you're done, tap on Next at the top right corner. You can now add a caption for your post over here. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily upload a PDF on LinkedIn.